Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the ground. What's going on, everybody? How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Good morning to you all. Good morning, Rockinos. Good morning, Broadband. Good morning, Blackie Chan. What do you think? New lights? Looks amazing. Is pretty, right? Double the intro music because it's doubly excited. Double the intro music. What do you mean? Fire set. Thank you. Brought to you by Army Piper. Thank you, sir. I greatly appreciate it. Everything looks great. It looks good. I look kind of professional a little bit, a little more professional. I look like I got bags under my eyes, but they're a lot less noticeable now. That's super cool. I got to stop looking over at myself and start looking more at the camera. I can actually see you for a change. Yeah. Yeah, I can be seen. That might not be a good thing. Might not be a good thing. Get to see me and my forehead and my crooked nose. Anyway, what's going on? It is Monday, July 8th, 2024 at 5:53 a.m. Central Standard Time. And Bitcoin had a little bit of a dumb ski last night. Did not set a new low. We'll get into that. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Okay. Fear and greed sitting at a 36. We're gonna go over a little bit of fear, greed, and over a couple of scenarios that I can see going on from here. So let's go ahead. Let's just get into it. Let's just get into it. Let's go on over to the charts. All right. Beautiful, says Blackie Chan. Thank you. I appreciate you. Man. All right. So got a few different scenarios, but first things first, I want to go over Bitcoin fear and greed this morning. There is actually an indicator you can get. It's called crypto fear and greed. I see not all of it is showing up. There's an extreme fear. Let me see if I can squish this a little bit. There we go. So this indicator is pretty cool. Why? Because it called the top, okay? Sentiment called the top. You got into extreme greed right here. Extreme greed right at the top. And it's been kind of going down ever since. Extreme greed called the top last cycle. So we had the first initial bump up right there. And then we had the run up. Now it was running super high, extreme greed. This is euphoria. When we're on the top end here, that is euphoria. So if we just go by sentiment and we just come down and we just buy extreme fear and sell extreme greed, we're looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. This blue line is just a 13 EMA. Why did I do 13? Because there's 52 weeks, divided that by 4 quarters. It equals 13. That gives me 13. Looks back for a whole quarter. Now I like to put this on the 7-day instead of the weekly chart. You can do either one. Looks like they're going to be about the same. But I like to look at the weekly and the 7-day. Kind of compare and contrast. See what's going on. Shrink this indicator a little bit. We'll get into that indicator. So, yeah, Monday morning fake out dump. Maybe. Maybe a short-term fake out dump. Um, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so this 13 weeks really kind of tells the whole story. What is the average for the quarter? I mean, as soon and when you get a nice big candle pushing through like that, it almost says, all right, it's time to get out at least for a little while. Then once you get above that 13-week EMA, then things are looking better. Then once you get back below it, things look very terrible. Then once you get back above it and start bouncing off of it, things are looking good. Right now, we are below it. Okay? So that is not really what we were wanting to see. Just being honest. It's not really what we were wanting to see. We are likely going to go lower. In my opinion, it's just my opinion, not financial advice. I think we could go lower. Down here, possibly to this golden pocket area. This is just a fib pulled from this high to this low, which really all the data shows that this was the high over here, not this. Euphoria, on-chain data, all that stuff shows that this was more of the high than this. So if we were to go by that, then we're sitting on top of the 786, and we did get a bounce off of the 786. Now, I do have these scenarios over here that I did want to go over, because I do see a few different scenarios, and the quick bull, as I call it, that's going to be more like this right here. It's going to be more like this. So I'm just going to take a bars pattern. Maybe, if I can figure out where it is. Where is my... Oh. I don't know why that closed. I don't remember closing that. So we can take this as this bars pattern. And basically, I mean, it would just look... This is kind of what I would be looking for. Just a quick run up. And then, early 2025, maybe first quarter 2025. That's it. That's all she wrote. 250K. Okay? Very quick move to the upside. Measured move would actually be from here to here. So that would be your measured move. Let me get this lined up. If it wants to work, it doesn't want to work. That's fine. I got to turn off the magnet. That helps. There we go. Then that gives us a measured move almost perfectly to that 4.236 at $224,000. So there's that scenario. I see a slower one that takes a little bit longer, obviously, the slow scenario. If I can, so this was the 2017 bear market, or bull market, rather. Ah, Jesus. And then there you have it, right there. You get your bottom, and then we're just basically on track with that. This isn't even really the slow one, but this does go into March of 2025, so it's a little slower. But look at that. If we just go from bottom, from the very bottom, well, maybe even the very bottom here, we're on track, right? We're basically on track. Got a little overextended maybe, getting a little bit pushed back down, and then we push higher. Now, the bear scenario that nobody wants to see is, we just break down. We break 38K. We break down from there. We get a retrace, at least 50%. Then we roll over, and we come back down to our bear market lows. And that's all she wrote. Then we crab walk probably for quite some time. And then we finally get going again. So those are the few scenarios that I am seeing on the macro. Basically just looking for those low time frame impulses to come in and show us the way. So this is what I started drawing up last night. I was thinking, this was looking good, and then we had this little breakdown here, but I wake up and I see this big move. Well, that's interesting. It's a little interesting. Doesn't mean that we could go higher. So we start putting in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you show the name for fear and greed indicator, please? It is called Crypto Fear and Greed Index by Pine Query. There you go. So see this 5 wave structure. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we don't break this high, which I would have preferred. I would have liked if we broke this high to our left, but we didn't. We stalled and we broke down. Now, we didn't set a new low, so that's good. And if this was a wave 2 of a bigger wave, of a bigger 5 wave, so we would go zoom out, zoom out. Let me turn off market dynamics. There we go. Zoom out. Wait, is this random dot? There we go. What is this random line here? All right, let's see. 5 waves. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just looking at structure, not looking at price. So this little push up here is very interesting because this is another impulsive type of move. And if this is impulsive, 1, 2, and we get a bigger third, a 4 on a pullback, and a bigger 5, then things are really starting to look very interesting. Things are starting to look very good. Now, I was hoping that we would have gotten that last week, but we didn't. So I just want this to turn into to start pushing a little higher. Start quickly. Quick moves like this, the impulsive moves to the upside, liquidating shorts, forcing those shorts to close, and continuing higher and higher. Higher low, lower high. I don't like this wedgie. Higher low, lower high. Higher low, lower high. I don't know what you're saying. Higher low, lower high. Higher low, lower high? Possibly. But this is perfectly fine because we came up and we broke this high on the B wave here. So now we just need another push higher. Like I was just showing you. If we get that extra push higher, that would be fantastic. If we don't, then this might just have turned into another corrective wave where this is actually just an ABC. And this is an ABC. And then it's over. It's over. Or here we go. ABC, ABC. Now the problem with this is that it's corrective, meaning this is just a corrective structure, which means we'll probably go lower. We could see. Now, 5-wave structures don't always have to come off of the very bottom. They can start here. They can start here. Point is, more strong pushes to the upside giving us 5-wave structures is what we are looking for. If we don't get that, it's probably more downside. Probably more downside. Something nobody wants to hear. But, you know, we do have levels. We can stop at. Piper has been calling for 48.5. I could see that. That's the lower. Well, no, it's the top boundary of the golden pocket here. 47.6 on Bitstamp. 46,000 down here on your 618. Getting that bounce off that 786 and then getting a double tap on it. Now, what I don't want to see is I don't want to see us come up, hit that dynamic reactor, and then just continue to roll over. I mean, I say I don't want to see it, but it would be fine if that happened. It would be perfectly okay. I've been calling 47K. That's why I said I don't like this wedge. It's got scary potential. 47K, even better. I hope we see 52K. Yeah. Yeah, my 52K, I don't know if that's going to hold up. But we do have, from all of this, we do have this support level here that we could get into. And, yeah. Maybe make a little break below 50K. And then, hopefully, we get a bounce from there. That would look nice. Crypto facing a $4.2 million long, up close to 200K. Good for him. What's going on, Dave Digital? Thank you for being here. Hello, Max. Can you show the name? Oh, yeah. Yep. I got you. Cool. Good morning, Dave Digital. What's going on, man? Hope you're doing well. So, yeah. I don't want to see it, but, I mean, you know, we could get a bounce this week and then roll over the next couple of weeks. Let's go take a look at the Vela, see what we've got going on our open interest. That man's got cojones. $4.2 million long. I mean, if I had the money. 4.2 million. Jeez Louise. You got to have that. That's got to be just a portion of his money, too. That's what's crazy about it. All right. Bitcoin's getting moving a little bit here. As open interest is coming down, meaning shorts getting liquidated. So, yeah. Crypto face is long. I'm just saying. Open interest coming down, price coming up. That's good. Would like to see some spot volume really start to pick up in here. That would be fantastic. Aggregated volume coins, cumulative delta. All right. I'll just wait. Have an order at 52.5. Says Rockinos. Good morning, Rockinos. Good morning, Jim Kramer. Jim Kramer. Uh-oh. Everybody, be careful. Jim Kramer's in the chat. Darren does saying Long's getting licked on the move down. Yep. Longs have been getting licked for a while. That was this whole move here, right? Longs getting liquidated on the move down. Now, open interest, if it can just continue to push lower and come back down to more closer to our baseline, that would be fantastic. Get some more data in here. Yeah, come back down here. Get more into our baseline. Where's the rectangles? Down here. Get down here. I think there's only one way to push open interest down this far, and that is to start liquidating shorts. Mean this move down from 58.2 this AM. Yep. Yeah, definitely. That was longs getting liquidated for sure. Last night before I went to bed when we got that big push down. Open interest down, CVD down, longs closing. There you go. That's what you need. You need longs closing. You need that spot buying. Run. Run. They're saying run. Good morning. Amy Lives Crypto. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for being here, my friends. What a wonderful, wonderful time. It's beautiful. So yeah, just looking for man, really would like to see some spot volume pick up in here. That would be really, really nice. If this thing really started getting pushing, man, then yeah. I mean, this is the high that we've got to take out for things to start looking really good at the $63,866. We get above that, we are looking much better. But for right now, I'm still chilling. I need to see some clear direction, man. Right now, it is anything but clear to me. So I just have to wait and see. Hopefully this can turn into some type of W pattern, W reversal, and this thing does finally get out of here. But I'm not holding my breath. Germany is still selling more Bitcoin, so Mount Gox hodlers. It's Monday, baby. Let's go. Love waking up to the limit order being filled. Hey, there we go. Especially one that has been sitting there for a while and sitting down low. Right? Excuse me. So, sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go over to OP. I want to check on something real quick. I want to see something. Oh, it hit. I should have played it. I set this up last night. Oh, man. I should have played it. When was it? Yeah, it must have been right around here. Because I was watching the momentum push. And I was like, let me see. I just want to set up a trade. I didn't share it because I wasn't in the trade. I was just like, let me set this up and see what can happen. So, and there you go. Lunarnez. Yeah. Germany government moved 3.4 BTC an hour ago. 3.4 thousand BTC an hour ago. Yeah, and they're selling it not over the counter. They're selling it on exchange. Like, what are they doing? I came here to chew bubble gum and kick butt, and I'm all out of bubble gum. Shame on you for not sharing it. Just kidding. Sorry. I'm sorry. What's up, Lunar? What's up, verified trader? Have you been verified, sir? We need to know. So yeah, I'm sorry I didn't share it, but yeah, I you know, I was being cautious. Okay, I was being cautious, given what we've been through for the last month. It's a liquidity test of BTC TradFi move. Yeah, great movie. I don't even know what y'all are talking about. Anyway, so yeah, OP got that bounce that that push that I was looking for last night. Man, I really should have jumped in that trade. Obviously. Well, at least we know that we made it. At least we know that we made it. That helps a little, that helps. That can help with the confidence. It did break this high here. Zoom out a little bit. I have been eyeing up this OP for a little while. I want to add this indicator. The Smart Money Oscillator by Chart Prime. I want to try and use as many free indicators as possible so that you guys can use them. Sent 150 to Kraken, 250 to Coinbase, sold 1,000 over the counter. Well, dang. I don't know. Yeah, this little oscillator is pretty cool. Does something with smart money. I got to get more into it. But, I mean, it works basically like any other oscillator you've ever seen in your life. So, but it can give you a nice edge as well. It does give pretty good divergences and stuff like that. So, yeah, getting a little push higher today. I also want to see a lot more like 20% gains over here. That would show a little more strength across the market if a whole bunch of coins started putting in like 20% gains in a day. Which we're getting a little. We've got some in here putting in some. We've got DYM, whatever that is. DYM kind of giving us a little surge. Celestia is looking pretty good. Look at that. Good morning, my dude. Good morning, TradeFly, my guy. How you doing, brother? Good morning to you. You're up early. I know you're usually up late. So, have you gone to sleep yet from work, sir? We need TradeFly to have some sleep. Will you be on the morning show? Will you be on the open show? Throw some planes in the chat for TradeFly. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, yeah. More pushes like this would be fantastic. Oh, what is this? Gal? It's just like Galaxy Digital. It broke that consolidation range high. If you can get back above that and hold, it would be looking pretty nice. Bless me. Bless my heart. LOL, still awake. Probably not until Friday. Dang. Anyone worried? The giant head and shoulders on weekly link chart. I pointed that out 2 months ago before it even started forming. No, legit, I did. It's in Alex O'Crypto's Discord. Shout out to Alex O'Crypto. There's some otters in the chat. Link. USD. USAA. Go to the weekly. So excited for the night show. Yeah, looking forward to that crypto nightcap with the one and only TradeFly and Mr. FD White. What up, Otta gang? Yep, Mr. White. Yeah, so we have these value area low down here at about 1026. We've got this consolidation, this bear market, like bear market highs. The highs on that was about $9.34. So coming down here wouldn't be all that surprising, to be honest, especially since I kind of called it. But hey, so yeah, this head and shoulders on a link is what Jim Cramer. It's so obvious it's sus. I mean, yeah, maybe. Maybe. I mean, it could have already. I mean, look, this is bearish, but this could just be a deviation. The key thing is going to be getting back above the neckline and not closing another candle below it. Measured move on this would be probably around $7.50. That is right around the midpoint of the bear market range. Let's go ahead and pull a fixed range volume profile. See if we've see where that point of control is in here. Would be a naked point of control, and it's right there. Right there at $7.12. We've got our value area high right here at $7.81. So lose this level, like close another candle below it, and then yeah, I mean I could definitely see this going lower. So I mean it just is what it is. There's a lot of stuff that is seeing its bear market lows. We can go over, not to pick on the memes. I don't want to hurt any meme feelings. Just because I personally kind of just want to not deal with the risk of memes. Doesn't mean I hate them or I don't think they should exist or anything like that. Just means I'm not a big fan. That's all it means. You don't have to keep trying to tell me I'm wrong. I'm just not a fan. So this is Shiba Inu. So you can see the bear market lows chopping about, and you can see it come back down, slam back down into that value area high of the bear market range, right? So, I mean, I could see that on a plethora of coins. We can go to, let's just check out AVAX. See, it's got kind of a similar head and shoulders in here, right? Quant. I'm going to have to go to a different watch list because none of these are going to have enough history on them because they're all Femex perp charts. Let's go to, as I think ICP was given somewhat, yeah, it's broken down a lot. It's come back down into its bear market range. Look go dot is doing about the same thing. Look at that head and shoulders. Solana, man, this one's looking kind of scary to me. Got a little bit of a head and shoulders on this one, where you got your shoulder, your head, your right shoulder. Some would say it's too steep, and I would say you're wrong. You're wrong. Come on. Here we go. Breakdown from there. I mean, Solana under $100. How can all the Solana people, look at that? I mean, this measured move is $68. So, I hope for the Solana folks that is not what comes to fruition. Hopefully, there's been enough here to help support it hopefully there's enough support here to help keep price up for you, and it doesn't fall. But if we do go into a longer consolidation with Bitcoin, where we spend the next 6 months in the same range that we have been in for the past few months, things could get a little nasty. Things could get really nasty. I'm not saying that that's what's going to happen with the Bitcoin, but I'm just saying that things can get really nasty. This thing can become a real washing machine. You're just constantly getting hit with wave after wave after wave. It's not good. It's not what we want to see. Got to head back to freedom fighting. Hope everyone has a great day. Just wanted to stop by and show some love real quick. Thank you for stopping by, Tradefly. Madla, FD is out of the country right now, so I might be pulling you guys and Lady into the mix. Hey, man, if you got something this week, I am definitely down. Depending on what time it is, I think I can make it. I'm pretty sure I can. My family's out of town. They're going to be out of town this week. So I got the nights to myself. So yeah, that should be fun. But yeah, basically, guys, it's that time. I just looked at the time, and it is that time. Lots of yellow dots because I'm just clicking away on here. All right. I've got to abruptly end the stream. Look at that. Looks so nice. I'm spoiled. So yeah, we just want to see some continuation today to the upside. That is breaking more highs and not stalling out. That is what we kind of want to see if we want to remain, or if we want to be bullish at all. So yeah, that's basically what I'm looking for. I'm still looking for those low time frame impulses. You know, we didn't get them. We broke down again. Hey, I mean, it is what it is. No more calling bottoms until bottoms are in. Okay. So yeah, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all for being here. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way out, subscribing to the channel if you are new, and yeah, hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical day. Ride the waves. Peace out. Love you guys. Later.